Have you ever noticed something confusing? Some people budget, they save regularly, they avoid unnecessary spending, they do everything right. And yet years go by and they still feel financially stuck. They're not drowning, but they're not moving forward either. No real growth, no real freedom. Just stuck. If you've ever thought, I manage my money well, so why am I still not getting ahead? This video is for you. Because today, we're talking about the hidden reason why even disciplined, responsible people stay financially stuck, and it has nothing to do with laziness, intelligence, or lack of effort. Welcome to Money Science AR. Let's start with an uncomfortable truth. Good money habits alone do not guarantee financial progress. That sounds strange, right? We're told that budgeting, saving, and avoiding debt are the keys to success. And while those habits are important, they are only part of the picture. Think of money like a car. Managing money well is like keeping the car clean, fueled, and well-maintained. But if the engine never turns on, you're not going anywhere. Many people are excellent at maintaining money, but they never learn how to move it forward. Let me explain with a simple example. Imagine someone named Sarah. Sarah tracks her expenses, she pays her bills on time, she saves from every paycheck, she avoids unnecessary purchases. On paper, Sarah looks financially responsible. But 5 years later, her life looks mostly the same. Her savings grew a little, but not significantly. Her stress level dropped slightly, but not enough. She still feels one unexpected event away from trouble. So what's missing? The first hidden reason people stay stuck is this. They confuse stability with progress. Stability feels good, and it is good. It means you're not constantly panicking. It means you're not reacting to every bill. But stability is not the same as growth. Many people stop once they reach okay. They build a safety cushion, manage expenses, and then stay in that comfort zone for years. There's nothing wrong with stability, but if you stop there, money never starts working for you. It just sits. Stability protects you, progress expands you, and most people never make that shift. The second reason people stay financially stuck is playing defense forever. A lot of financial advice focuses on protection. Don't overspend, avoid mistakes, cut costs, be careful. This is important, especially early on. But if your entire money strategy is about avoiding problems, you never build momentum. Think of it like sports. Defense prevents losing. Offense wins games. Many people manage money like they're always trying not to lose, but never trying to win. They protect every dollar, but they don't give dollars a chance to do anything. Which leads us to the third hidden issue. Money has no purpose beyond survival. Ask most people why they save money, and you'll hear, just in case. For emergencies, for security. Those are valid reasons, but they're incomplete. When money has no long-term purpose, it loses direction. It just sits there. Purpose is what turns saving into growth. Money needs a job beyond don't disappear. Without purpose, even well-managed money stays idle. The fourth reason people stay stuck is subtle but powerful. They never upgrade their money strategy as life changes. What works when you're starting out doesn't work forever. Early on, managing expenses and saving is enough. Later, the same approach becomes limiting. Many people continue using beginner systems long after they've outgrown them. They don't revisit their approach. They don't reassess their goals. They don't ask, is this still serving me? As a result, they stay financially comfortable, but capped. This brings us to a major mindset issue. They treat money management as the finish line, not the foundation. Managing money well is step one, not the destination. It's the base layer. the starting point. From there, money needs to be used intentionally to increase capacity, create opportunity, build leverage. Without that next step, people remain responsible but stuck. Another big reason people don't move forward is fear disguised as responsibility. They tell themselves, I'm being careful. I don't want to mess up. I'm just playing it safe. But deep down, fear is driving decisions. Fear of making the wrong move. Fear of losing what they've built. Fear of uncertainty. So they don't take any step forward. Responsible behavior turns into hesitation, and hesitation freezes progress. Let's talk about effort, because this is important. Many people work very hard. They budget carefully. They plan responsibly. But effort without direction leads to exhaustion, not results. This is where people burn out. They feel like they're doing everything right, but nothing changes. That frustration is what makes people quit, overspend, or give up entirely. The truth is, money progress requires a shift from control to strategy. Control keeps money from leaking. Strategy tells money where to go. Without strategy, money just sits safely and quietly does nothing. Another reason people stay stuck is depending only on income increases. They think, when I earn more, things will change. Sometimes they do, briefly. But without a system that converts income into progress, higher earnings just lead to higher expenses. This is why people with good salaries still feel stuck. Money comes in, but nothing meaningful changes, because income without direction does not equal progress. Now let's talk about the emotional side, because this is rarely discussed. Many people attach their identity to being good with money. They're proud of being disciplined, careful, responsible. And that identity can become a trap. They avoid new strategies because it threatens that identity. They don't want to risk being wrong, so they stay in familiar territory. But growth requires change. If your money approach never evolves, results never evolve either. Here's the turning point. The moment people stop being stuck. They stop asking, how do I avoid mistakes? Start asking, how do I create progress? That question changes everything. Progress doesn't mean recklessness. It means intentional movement. It means giving money goals beyond survival. It means upgrading systems as life grows. It means shifting from protection to purpose. Let's be clear. Managing money well is powerful. But managing money well without direction is like saving energy and never using it. True financial movement happens when stability is in place, purpose is clear, strategy evolves, fear is managed, money is assigned a future role. That's when people stop feeling stuck. If you're watching this and thinking, this explains exactly how I feel, that's a good thing. Awareness is the beginning of change. You're not behind, you're not bad with money, you're just at the point where management alone is no longer enough. That's a normal stage, not a failure. If this video helped you understand why things haven't moved yet, take a moment to like it and share it with someone who feels stuck despite doing everything right. And make sure you're subscribed to Money Science AR, where we break down money in a realistic, human, and practical way, without hype or confusion. In the next video, we'll break down 401k plans explained simply, what they are, how they work, and how to use them wisely, so your paycheck helps build long-term financial security. Most people have a 401k but don't really understand it, and that confusion can cost them years of progress. If you work in the US and have access to a 401k, this is a video you don't want to miss. I'll see you in the next video on Money Science AR.